In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to copy a Framer template to your account. The first thing to do is to navigate to the Framer Marketplace. This is a hub of pre-designed templates, both free and paid, that you can utilize for your projects. Now, for those wanting to use a free template, here's how you do it. Start by browsing through the Marketplace and selecting the free template that fits your needs. Remember, there are countless templates available, so you're bound to find one that resonantly aligns with your project. After selecting your chosen template, find and click the Use for Free button. Doing this will then automatically create a copy of the template in your Framer account. And the great news is, it will also automatically open, enabling you to start working on it straight away. But what if you're after a paid template? No problem. In this case, you still begin by navigating to the Framer Marketplace. This time, though, select a paid template that you would like to purchase. You'll then have to complete the purchase process just like you would for any online transaction. Once the purchase is complete, check your email for a message from either Framer or the seller of the template. This email is important as it contains a link that will give you access to the template. Click on this link and it will prompt you to either log in or sign up to your account before it creates a copy of the project. Lastly, let's talk about how to make a copy of an existing template you own. In this situation, you will need to go to your Framer dashboard. This dashboard keeps a record of all the templates that you own. Simply find the template that you wish to duplicate and click on the Duplicate option. Doing this will create a separate copy, which can be extremely handy for creating a new project while retaining the original template for future use. To summarize, copying a Framer template to your account is a simple process, be it a free template, paid template, or a template you already own. In each case, the important part is that a new copy is created in your account ready for you to put to use in your project. And there you go. That's how it's done. Happy creating.